Alright everyone, so I have a 2020 Volkswagen GLI here, and then I also have a O2 spacer here for my lower O2 sensor, just to help get rid of the lovely check engine light that I'm having every single day. I do have the 3.5-inch ARM downpipe. Shout out to ARM. They're actually my sponsor, so definitely shout out to them. So downpipe there, getting all nice and purple, but down there is where my O2 sensor is. I'm gonna raise this vehicle up into the air, and then we'll show you where the location is. Alright, what's up everyone? So I got this Urotuning O2 sensor spacer. I'm gonna install that today, just to get rid of that check engine light that I've been experiencing for maybe the last year, because I have been neglecting to buy this. So recently bought this. I can't remember exactly how much. I think it was under $100 for sure, maybe around 60 bucks for it, so not too bad. So we're gonna put this in so we can get rid of that fault for the O2 sensor that is going on. But yeah, I'm gonna get this installed. Get me my tools real quick. So what we're gonna do here, so I'm going to need my O2 socket. I'll show you guys here in a second. It's going to be a 22mm O2 socket. I'm going to get my long ratchet. So what we're going to do here, use my long ass Matco ratchet, and then like I said, my 22mm O2 sensor socket tool. Oh yeah. So we're gonna install this real quick. And honestly, it's gonna be a simple, easy install. All you gotta do, crack that O2 sensor loose. So we got that O2 sensor loose there. So I'm gonna get it disconnected. Kind of a tight spot up there, otherwise I would show you what I'm doing as I'm doing, but once I get it all done, I'll get you guys up there so you can see what exactly I'm doing. So put that all the way flush there, and this is going to spin in, and then you're going to use this to help lock it into place. Your O2 sensor is going to go up there. So what I like to do before you install the O2 sensor into the mounting spot, like and start threading it in, I like to back it all up, kind of twist the wire all the way counterclockwise, so then when you start screwing it in clockwise, it'll actually unweave that wire that you wound up, and then it should be about perfect once you get it all tightened up. Alright, I'll get you guys up there real quick so you can see what is going on. Let me get my flashlight, otherwise you're not going to be able to see very well. Boop. I look like you're all a deer in a headlight. Let's turn you guys around, and you can see what I am seeing. So, right up there. Let's see if I can zoom in. See the O2 spacer there with the O2 sensor, just like that. It's a little loose right now, so I'm going to tighten it up. I just wanted to show you guys. That is what it looks like right there. So yeah, hopefully that will fix my issue with my check engine light and the O2 sensor fault that it's giving. But yeah, that's what it looks like. So let's go tighten it up real quick and we'll go from there. Back. So let's get that tightened up. We'll get this back on there. Just like that, we got an O2 sensor spacer from Urotuning. All right, so I'll be back with you guys in a minute once we get I'm gonna get the car lowered down, and I'll see you guys here in a second once I'm back in the car. All right, so it's been running for a little bit. Everything's running pretty good. But yeah, check engine light's gone for now. I guess we'll see when we hit 100 miles. If it pops back on, because that's what was going on before. I would clear it and then pop on within 60 to 100 miles of driving. So we'll come back if it comes back, I guess. But as of right now, it's running pretty good. So I'm pretty happy with it. Now we just gotta have some fun with it. But yeah, so that's how you do the O2 sensor spacer from Urotuning. If you have any other questions or comments, just leave them down below. If you have anything that you want to see, any ideas or anything, just, like I said, comment down below and let me know. Wish you guys a wonderful day. Thanks for tuning in.